Adding a tailwind to this bullish outlook for Axie Infinity's price is the nosedive in the 365-day market value to realized value (NVRV) model. This indicator is used to gauge the sentiment of holders by tracking the average profit/loss of investors who purchased AXS tokens over the past year. Generally, a negative value indicates that these holders are underwater. Hence, the probability of a sell-off is low. Based on Sentiment's backtest, Axie Infinity price right now is $34.04 with a 24-hour trading volume of $795.55 million, market cap of $2.07 billion, and market dominance of 0.11%. The AXS price increased 13.85% in the last 24 hours. Axie Infinity reached its highest price on November 6, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $163.89. The lowest price since its ADH was $26.86, cycle low. The highest AXS price since the last cycle low was $34.75, cycle high. The Axie Infinity price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. Axie Infinity's current circulating supply is 60.91 MAXS out of max supply of 270.00 MAXS. In terms of market cap, Axie Infinity is currently ranked 17 in the Ethereum ERC20 sector, ranked 4 in the NFT tokens sector, ranked 4 in the gaming sector, and ranked 4 in the metaverse sector. The price of Axie Infinity in the IEO was 10 cents and the token sale ended on November 4, 2020. Since then, AXS price increased 338.60x against US dollar, increased 44.42x against Ethereum, and increased 118.63x against Bitcoin. To learn more about Axie Infinity IEO, click here. Axie Infinity price in US dollar has decreased by -46.24% in the last 1 month. AXS is down -35.92% against Ethereum and down -36.88% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. According to our current Axie Infinity price prediction, the value of Axie Infinity will rise by 22.57% and reach $41.68 by May 10, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing fear. Axie Infinity recorded 12/30ths, 40%, green days with 17.18% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Axie Infinity forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Axie Infinity. Based on today's classical pivot point, PA1, with the value of $31.66, Axie Infinity has support levels of $29.75, $26.22, and the strongest at $24.31. Similarly, Axie Infinity resistance levels are at $35.19, $37.10, and $40.63. Axie Infinity's price crashed 65% starting on March 24, which is slightly steeper than the rest of the altcoin markets. AXS went from $74.57 to $26.23 as it sliced through the $45.22 resistance barrier. However, the bright side to this bleak picture is that AXS dipped inside the 2-day demand zone, extending from $15.58 to $27.25. A demand zone is an area where institutions or high net worth investors accumulate, pushing the price higher. Often, there are unfilled orders in this area, and when the price retraces back to this level, the remaining orders get filled, which increases the buying pressure and propels the asset's price as a result.
And she knows that I gotta be trusted. In fact, love, but the money's elastic. In fact, love, and she knows